the fourth day of the week. Today we are going to teach you exercise 10C, class 6, subject mathematics. Today is date 20 June 2020. Day is Saturday. Chapter 10, ratio, proportion and unitary method. Exercise 10C. Question number 1. Here is, if the cost of 14 meter of cloth is rupees 1819, find the cost of 6 meter of cloth. Solution: because the cost of 14 meter of cloth is equal to rupees 1819. Here is, therefore the cost of 1 meter of cloth is equal to rupees 1890 divided by 14 is equal to 135 will be. Therefore, the cost of 6 meter of cloth is equal to 135 into 6 is equal to 810. Answer will be. Here is question number 2. Given, if the cost of a dozen soap is rupees 285 rupees 60 paise, what will be the cost of 15 such soaps? Solution: 1 dozen is equal to 12 pieces. Because the cost of 12 soap is equal to rupees 285 rupees 60 paise, therefore the cost of 1 soap will be, here 285 rupees 60 paise divided by 12 is equal to 23 rupees 80 paise. Therefore, the cost of 15 such soaps will be 23 rupees 80 paise multiplied by 15 is equal to 357 rupees will be answer. It is cost price of 15 soap. Here is question number 3. If 9 kg of rice cost 327 rupees 60 paise, what will be the cost of 50 kg of rice? Solution: because the cost of 9 kg of rice here is 327 rupees 60 paise, therefore the cost of 1 kg of rice will be 327 rupees 60 paise divided by 9 is equal to 36 rupees 40 paise. 36 rupees 40 paise, the cost price of 1 kg of rice. Therefore, the cost of 50 kg of rice will be 36 rupees 40 paise multiplied by 50 is equal to 1820 rupees. Answer will be. Here is question number 4. If 22.5 meter of a uniform iron rod weighs 85.5 kg, what will be weight of 5 meter of the same rod? Solution: because the weight of 22.5 meter of a uniform rod is equal to Here is 85.5 kg. Therefore, the weight of 1 meter of a uniform rod will be 85.5 divided by 22.5 kg is equal to 3.8 kg will be. Therefore, the weight of 5 meter of uniform rod is equal to 3.8 kg multiplied by 5 is equal to 19 kg. Answer will be. Question number 5. If 15 tins of the same size contain 234 kg of oil, how much oil will there be in 10 such tins? Solution. Quantity of oil in 15 tins is equal to 234 kg given. Therefore, quantity of oil in 1 tin is equal to will be 234 divided by 15. Therefore, quantity of oil in 10 tins will be 234 into 10 by 15 is equal to 156 kg. Answer will be. Here is question number 6. Given question, if 12 liters of diesel is consumed by a car in covering a distance of 222 kilometers, how many kilometers will it go in 22 liters of diesel? Question. Here solution. Here is distance covered by the car in 12 liters of diesel given 222 kilometers. Therefore, distance covered by the car in 1 liter of diesel is equal to 222 divided by 12 kilometers. Therefore, here will be distance covered by the car in 22 liters of diesel is equal to 22 into 222 into 22 by 12 is equal to 37 into 22 is equal to 407 kilometer. Answer will be. Here is question number 7. Given question, a transport company charge 540 rupees to carry 25 tons of weight. What will it charge to carry 35 tons? Solution. Charge of 25 tons of weight is equal to given 540 rupees. Therefore, charge of 1 ton is equal to will be 540 divided by 25. Therefore, charge of 35 tons will be 540 into 35 by 25 is equal to 756. Answer will be. Here is question number 8. 4.5 gram of an oily of copper and zinc contains 3.5 kg of copper. What weight of copper will there be in 18.9 gram of the oily? Solution. Because weight of copper in 4.5 gram of oil is equal to 3.5 gram given. Therefore, weight of copper in 1 gram of oil is equal to 3.5 divided by 4.5 gram. Therefore, weight of copper in 18.9 gram of the oil is equal to, will be here, 3.5 by 4.5 into 18.9 kg. Decimal fly will be here 35 by 10 for decimal 1, after decimal 1 digit for 10 into 45 into 18.9 will be here 189 by 10. Therefore, will be here 14.7 kg, 7 gram. Answer will be